GM, everyone. Holy dude, that song just gets me in such a vibe. Just not gonna lie, it's just such a, it's an upbeat, gets me. I like it. It's a good song. That last little like 20 seconds there, I'm just like, yeah, okay, yeah.
Same,
Good
man.
vibe. So I mean, it's always good to have a good intro. You know, it gets the people, gets the hosts all sorted out. Even though PO fucking roasted us about how long it was, I was like, bro,
He said it's the longest intro in crypto, actually, which I think is probably a compliment.
We only have 150 people, and usually we're up at 1,000. So, like, naturally, you got to have a little bit of an intro to let the people.
You need to let people come into the door, Greeny.
Yeah, exactly. Like, it takes a bit of time to
Get
for
a
everyone.
drink, sit
Oh
down.
shit, they're live. I gotta go to the couch. I gotta get my popcorn. Whatever it is you need to sort it out, guys.
Quick wee, whatever you got to do.
Whatever you want to do, man. So, GM everyone, GN to obviously Eli. Appreciate his presence today because it is his third stream of the day. If anybody didn't know already, big boy is busy. Big boy is busy, man. But yeah, that's the sign of the bull market things, guys. So, mate, I mean, mates, friends. It's a great GM today. Market seems to have picked up a little bit overnight. I actually don't know what happened with the CPI, so we'll have a look at that. I'll do a bit of research. Maybe Eli knows, but I mean, the market's obviously responded okay. Abstract, meme coins. You know what? We're obviously going to focus on abstract because it's just an absolute heater right now, and I think anyone that's fading it is just, you're literally fading the best opportunity, I think, in the next 3 to 6 months.
Which I think is hilarious because
I think it goes deeper than that, obviously, but at least in the short term, it's very. I literally can't even read what that says.
Someone literally just quote tweeted me as you're saying this right now. Literally, as you're saying this, someone said, if you're quote tweeted my XP thing literally as you said this. If you're thinking of joining abstract XP program, don't. You're too late, and your airdrop won't be much. You should fade this. They're earning hundreds of thousands every week.
Yeah, but that's because we've been here for 6 months, bro. Like,
also, like, it doesn't matter. You could get into gold and still do well.
You can put 25 grand on the platform, and I promise you'll walk away with gold easy.
Not even, dude. Like, bro, even 5,000, bro. Like, you can work your way up easily. And so, like, people, I think, just like you said, like, people are fading it, and I think it's the dumbest shit in the world.
Yeah, agreed. I mean, hey, tweets like that are exactly why we're doing what we're doing. Yeah, look, gotta love it. So, yeah, huge show today. Craig, how you feel, mate? Eli, how you feeling? How you guys going?
Hey, buddy. Yeah, I'm good. Thank you. Happy Abstract XP Day to those who celebrate that. If you don't, that's a shame. I wonder, good morning, Eli. Good morning, everyone. Actually, I'll go into my rant afterwards. Eli, how are you, brother? 3 streams in a row. Must be feeling amazing, man. You must be feeling amazing.
Yeah. I'm feeling quite.
Just warming up.
Yeah, I'm feeling a little tired. I'm not gonna lie. No, I'm feeling all right. Honestly, the stream in the morning's tough because I'm not a morning person. Now that I stay up till 3 a.m. every night with abstract. But it was cool. The FOMO hour guys are awesome. Greeny was just on their show as well. You know, it was interesting because I'm not a market guy. I'm not the smartest tool in the shed.
There's a song about that.
Yeah, I was about to sing it. I was about to break down the song. I was about to break down the song. I'm not the smartest guy though, and so he hit me up. He's like, "Hey, like you don't have to show up at 10. We're gonna talk overall market stuff, but if you want to, you can." And I'm like, "Yeah, fuck it." They're talking about a bunch of shit. I'm like, "Okay, all right, this goes over my head." So the CPI stuff, don't understand any of it.
What was like up, down, standard? Like, what did it come out at?
I mean, what do you mean?
I'll just look up Tyler's account. It's all good.
No. Everything was great. I just stayed silent when they were talking about overall market stuff and CPI and all that. And then when abstract came around, it was great. You could just kind of tell though that they're not that interested.
Before, and I wanted to ask you about this because it's always good to get a contrarian view of a different opinion. This is why, we spoke to Clemente about it a while back. We spoke to other people about it. But I spoke to these guys literally. I think I was on their show. Like the same time last week, Tuesday, I think it was. Yeah. And basically, the meme coins hadn't pumped yet, and I said you're still very early to this chain. And then like within 4 days, they'd gone up like crazy amounts. And Tyler like there was a few clips of this, so I like retweeted it and put it back out, and then everyone's like, yeah. And then Tyler commented, he's like, yeah, shit, I should have looked at this. But
it was funny because Tyler's like, oh. Our intern, I think he was talking about, I can't remember who it is, but he's like, our intern told me what coins to buy in abstract, and none of them are up.
Oh shit, bro! No, they need to follow us, man.
How can your abstract coins not be up?
I don't know. I was like, what did Greeny not tell you guys about? I didn't ask them on stream, but in my head, I'm like, they must like Greeny must have told him points he thought were okay.
Yeah.
I don't know if I did mention specifics or not. I can't remember.
Okay, yeah. Then maybe their intern just picked literally the 3 coins that didn't move.
Amazing.
Yeah. But,
that's quite a talent in itself.
Yeah, that's fair play.
I'm like, fuck.
But how was the interview? Like, here we go. I finally found the CPI tweets. How like, what'd you talk about? Talk to us a little bit about.
Yeah, no, it was fun. Some of it they wanted to kind of know about me, so I gave them the short TLDR version of my journey. I talked to them a little bit about they wanted to know more about Memecoins. Their general concerns and sentiment was the same thing most people, where it's, you know, DeFi. There's nothing really there. They're only doing stuff for streamers, and I was just like, not really. But I would start taking a look then, because that is their next.
Come. Yeah.
Well, that's also, you know, you have phases. Phase 1 was, let's put our eggs in a basket that makes us different, which was streaming, the portal, right? They built a real community. Then phase 2 is, okay, well, we've got this foundation now, and now we can introduce DeFi, volume and meme coins and tools and platforms. And so I told them that, and it seemed like they were like somewhat interested, but again, you know, Mando seems a little like zoned out. I think he was busy. He left midway. Tyler was like kind of interested, but again, I think it's a lot of people just feel like they're too late. They don't want to buy the tops. Yeah,
I think it's that, but it's also like, if these guys have size, so if they're going to move over with size, like, and like size for most people, I'm talking tens of thousands, like not ridiculous, right? That still is a limitation, right? Because it's like, well, if there's not enough liquidity, if there's no DeFi over there, then it makes sense for these sort of big wallets to not move over just yet. They like it. Like, I understand it from that whale perspective.
Yeah, I just, to me, I find it odd. I mean, look, I have not been notorious for being a first mover. And Abstract was kind of one of the first times where I was like, okay, you know what? I'm going to first move, and I'm going to stick around even when it's tough. Whereas before, like, again, when I first touched Solana, right when things were happening at all, and NFTs were first coming out in Solana, it was the worst place ever. And I gave up after a week or two. This time I was choosing not to do that. But, you know, you want to stay ready so you don't have to get ready. Like, I'd rather plant my feet here instead of being like, it's not really happening yet, so I won't go over there yet. In my head, I'm like, it's not happening yet over there, so I'm going to go over there now. You know, but a lot of people just don't have that mindset. They don't have the time or the money.
We're streaming on here for 6 months now. Like, we were streaming on before, like anybody really. So it's like, I mean, I still think it's the best opportunity in crypto. You should see. Okay, so like I've talked to you both about this. I'm working with some new guys who are helping with my YouTube channel, and behind the scenes, I can tell you people are interested. And it's starting to, it reminds me of Solana, when I created Solana Memecoin tutorials way back in 2023, started 2024. That's where the kind of vibe that I'm starting to pick up already. Greg, mate. Jeez, mate. Jeez, what's going on there? But before we go any further in the chat, guys, just a massive shout out to our channel sponsor / partner, OKX Australia. Fantastic exchange. If you're keen to check it out, there's a link down below. And we can help you out. It's super easy to onboard and offboard any currency around the world, and honestly, it's the safest exchange in the world, never been hacked, all those sorts of things. So if you are new to the trenches, or you just want to buy and hold some BTC, it's probably the place to go. So you can check it out down below. And if you have any questions, we'll be more than happy to help you out. And GM to everyone in the chat. I did forget to say GM to everyone in the chat. So and shout out to people saying congrats on platinum. I do appreciate it. It's been a long journey, so it's nice to hit that platy. Did you see I don't know, you're probably on stream. I did a little video.
No, I didn't.
I did a little video, but before we get there, hold on. Here's the CPI. So CPI came in as expectations. Traders add to bets on September rate cuts. That's generally bullish, and Craig had a really good take on this. Basically, Australia had drops in interest rates as well, so already. So if America drops that as well, it means more people have liquidity to spend and more liquidity to maybe invest as well. So that's probably a good thing. If global liquidity continues to increase as well, then yeah, naturally we could see a prolonged bull run maybe into the end of 25, into maybe 2026. So yeah, rates came in as expected basically, which is pretty standard. So yeah, market looks pretty good for a rate cut in September. So that's not far away now, only about 3 weeks. So we'll see, or a month. We'll see how we go over there. But that's good for us. That's good for us risk on assets in our industry because we do see that we should see at least another leg up. Now, I did this video this morning. It's a little funny one. Platinum, baby. Let's go. Let's go. You hear that? Let's go. Only 9.9 million left to diamond tier. Oh, shit. It never looks so good, baby. Let's go.
Dude,
so good. So good.
9 million to go for yeah. I mean that's the thing. I think we talked about it, right? It's just not happening unless they do something significant. Like again, today I texted Finn again and I was like, look, because maybe you guys played Call of Duty or not, but you know, video game. Sometimes they would
bolt action sniper, man.
Yeah, but sometimes they would do double XP weekends. Right? Like double XP.
Yeah.
And so I texted Finn, and he just kind of like gave me a thumbs up or like a wink face or something like that. So I do think there's gonna be a chance if there's people who are high earners and in platinum, who are kind of giving up on the thought that diamond might happen. I think there might be an opportunity there. Right now, like even right now I'm at 298K, right? Like even if I earn 300K per week, I don't want to do the math. I don't care. Okay. No, but I probably don't hit it.
Well, okay, even if you have best case scenario, people start earning 1 million XP per week. No, just hypothetical here.
Okay.
Remember, hypothetical situation.
Okay.
Best scenario, top people start earning 1 million. That's still 9 weeks for most people, or maybe like someone like you or OG or whoever it is who has a little reborn, whoever it is who maybe has like 8 million left or 7 million left. That's still 7 weeks, right? That's still 2 months. Maybe. So,
sorry, I had to count my months.
Oh, bro, I'm all over this. I'm over this math analytic stuff. But yeah, so if you think about, if we go to 500K, that's double. Yeah. So that's 14. That's 14 weeks. So which is 3.5 months, right?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Right. It's.
But Finn did comment yesterday and say he has thought about what's it called? Reactive. I think it was the term he used. Reactive XP.
I don't know what that means though.
Yeah, I don't like the idea of daily XP. I'm not a fan of that. I would actually rather they react in a different way. Personally.
I prefer it to be quarterly, Greeny. Every annually, an annual review.
We're sorted.
we might be getting getting daily XP though, right? When you think about it, it might be daily XP hidden behind the system.
I reckon
right. That's what I'm saying. Yeah.
So, well, okay, I'm going to disagree with you, and you should know this as well. As a CEO of Gigaverse, you know that they collect only weekly leaderboard XP and stuff.
Well, that's from games, but I'm saying like there's base level stuff, right? Like holding me, like I don't know if there's cumulative stuff daily that kind of adds to the pot, and then the games report their XP. Yeah. So. Who knows exactly what they're doing, but well, I do. They're rewarding holders. But
I do, but I'm not telling you what they're doing.
No. Like who knows? It's us. We all know that they're rewarding holders, so we do know some of the stuff that works. And Finn responded. I got into a little back and forth with the ICO Beast on Twitter yesterday, and Finn kind of responded because people were worried. People were worried about like, oh, well, if they just sell right before XP day or they sell right after, they're just trying to game the system. And then Finn was saying, no, like we really, even on the analytics side, we don't really see that happening that much. I said it was happening because of a cool off because we just had like 2 days of fucking pandemonium on XPs and people are just taking profit. But
it's still not really taking enough for me.
Dan is nearby, says Ali XP would be great.
Yeah, minute by minute, just watch the chart. You're like,
oh, okay.
The problem is if users got that feedback, if it was daily, it would
be easy to.
Yeah, I'm going to study that data a lot.
Yeah.
So don't even give it to me, Finn. Like if you do, I'll study it. I reckon weekly is great because you can work out a little bit, but not everything, and I kind of like that because you don't just get monster whales coming in with 500,000.
Yeah, I think the theory crafting is fun. Like that's part of the game.
The journey, right? And they want people to fuck around and
mystery,
find out.
the hype, the speculation, the price go up.
We've had to change our strat several times. In this, I haven't been able to stick to my strat one time.
Literally, and like only a month ago, we were preferencing Abster and Newt, and not even look at the other memes, right?
Yeah, but I think the concept of holding, though, at least for me, has been
Correct.
Yeah,
Yeah.
like pretty constant. But at least now we have optionality between it all. He's showing off the hair.
No, you don't want to see. Hold on, I'll show you a photo of hair if you want to see a photo. Of
Did
hair.
you ever have? You had long hair before?
I traveled last year, bro. You should see this photo. And I want to see you with a beard.
I got a couple pictures.
Yeah. Okay.
I want to talk about, before we dive heavy into the abstract ecosystem. I think I posted this on Twitter as well. Hold on. Here we go. I don't know if you'll be able to see this, but oh, dirty boy.
Yeah, wow.
That
looks like a mugshot.
looks like the Boston Bomber or something, man. Like
that was me after traveling last
year. Mafia.
Why do you look so like lifeless?
My wife went to work and then she came home and she saw this.
Yeah, there we go. Yeah. More like Patrick Bateman, American Psycho there, right?
Well, the other one, you look so sad. You look so like devoid of joy.
Sad?
On the first picture with the long hair, he just looked devoid of joy, and then the second picture, he looks happy.
Bro, just this quality, man.
Like, you look like bloody Jesus.
I'll give Murad a run for his money, mate. But yeah, anyways, before we get stuck into abstract, I want to talk about our bags as well, boys. And yet another trend that we have identified early. Unfortunately, Eli beat us to this trend, so GG's to you, legend. But Moonbirds, $13.7 thousand. Craig, I told you it was a good buy the other night. You have no idea how much it took Craig convince. I said, Craig, come on, mate. And I bought a third, so I'm very happy as well.
Nice.
But yeah, so Craig, talk to me about what you're feeling today when you wake up and you see this joyful. Well, these are outperforming everything really at the point of time.
Look, I feel thankful, Greeny. I feel thankful to have been peer pressured, but no, it's great, dude. I got in at 10K and it's 13.
I was waiting for that cash in the mail, Craig.
Yeah, it's on its way actually. Express post. I just got to head down to the post office, but no, great. What are they now? I struggle with the ETH.
3 ETH.
Yeah.
Are they really?
Yeah. Oh, well, they're 2.99, but they were 3 when I woke up this morning. I
don't even check anymore.
I have one listed at 5 just in case they get there sooner rather than later, but I think I'm actually nearly going to hold these a little bit longer. As a real risk play in a way. Yeah. It's kind of what I'm thinking.
Yeah, I'm just working out what to do with my mythics at the moment.
I think mythics are going to pop, dude. I mean, they're already running really hard.
0.35 as well. What was the entry for them, Craig?
0.25.
Oh, nailed it, man. And probably US. I mean, ETH is at 4.6K. So you're probably nearly double.
Is it?
Yeah, bro. Yeah. ETH's gone nuts. Even though Solana's out. But ETH's at 3. ETH will hit a new all-time high very soon.
Oh, well then, chat, I'm feeling amazing, man. Basically, everything I've done this bull run's kind of worked out except for runes so far. So, fuck, man.
You can't win 100%, Craig. You win a 90%. Mate.
It's just, I mean, the name should have told me runes, right? Yeah, fuck. But it's amazing that even ETH's outperforming runes now. So laughs on me for sure. But, dude, I'm so bad we pivoted into ETH NFTs when we did.
Dude. My God. Abstract, ETH NFTs, ETH Memecoins. Craig,
pudgy, bro. That's
the pudgy was the move. I mean, bro, we had to. Craig was so stuck. All right, wait. Let's think about it.
Man, let's
rewind. 1 month ago, we had to beg. We had to beg Craig to get the pudgy
at 23 grand,
and not just that,
21 grand.
Not even just buy the pudgy. To PFP the pudgy, he was so stuck on his Bitcoin puppet, he just would not get to the bird. He would not show it any love.
No.
I think we've seen a full circle transformation though.
And look what's happened since I put the bird on.
You were the bottom, dude. You were the reason why we're pumping.
1,000 followers. I mean, but Ethereum broke 4-year resistance or whatever. So if anything, you guys have got a lot to be thankful for me putting that bird on. Really, I think everyone should give me a round of applause.
You know, Ethereum is doing well when this man here tweets about Ethereum.
Yeah, fuck. Actually,
this just shows you how much higher Ethereum is about to go.
Is that a sell signal though, man?
No, I don't think so. No.
Not yet.
As much as I hate to admit it, Ethereum has, just like Bitcoin, received a huge institutional bid. This is what I've been saying for the past couple of months. Seems like it will continue to perform well for the rest of the year. The BlackRock effect.
Yeah.
We might have another special guest on the show this week, chat too.
Yeah.
Very big personality of crypto Twitter. So it'd be exciting.
I don't think it's a sell signal because it's just pointing out like what's happening.
Yeah,
it's not
correct.
like saying is going to a certain price or this is the bottom or this is the top.
I think it's a good observation from someone who he's very measured, right? So for him to tweet about Ethereum, that takes a lot. That does take a lot.
It does.
Dude, I'm so grateful that I got into Abstract because I don't think I would have gotten into Ethereum if I was like, because I just had the Pudgy. I bought the Pudgy at like 9 ETH. It was like what 12K. Yeah,
when did you buy that? And
9 ETH. It was literally the bottom, like 9 ETH.
Last year.
Oh my god.
Oh, I bought it March or like right. I got it for streaming. I literally bought it. I'm like, I'm gonna sell everything. I'm gonna buy it. I'm gonna be a streamer on Abstract, and I'm gonna use this Pudgy for marketing.
You didn't get Pengu airdrop.
No.
Okay.
Okay. No. So,
bro, you're up about fucking 50K.
Well, yeah, it was 14 grand. They dipped to 14 grand. I pinged everyone at GTG and said, guys, big Pudgies are at 14,000 US dollars. I promise this would be one of the better trades in this. I don't know when that was. It was earlier this year whenever they were down there. And it's up like, I don't even know, 5x since then.
Yeah. It's funny. I haven't even looked at the price because I'm not like really thinking about selling it right now, especially with all my, like how well I've been doing. I don't see it as a sell that I need to make anytime soon. Yeah. But because of that, almost all of my assets are Ethereum because of Abstract. Just all the meme coins, the profits I've taken from coins, like it's all just accumulating. It's been really nice. So shout out to Abstract for unintentionally making me an Ethereum maxi. But yeah, it's been great. I'm actually happy during this bull run so far.
That's good, mate. It's good to be happy in life, It's good to have those sort of things. Now, we spoke about NFTs. Obviously, the little Pudgies are holding pretty much steady. Big Pudgies are pretty much holding steady. Punks are at $250,000. I mean, I wish I still owned it, but hey, it is what it is.
We already talked about it. You made more.
Well, yeah,
than you would have had.
Made more. I actually thought about this the other day, and I probably have made more, but it's just, okay, but an easy trade, right? It was like, again, there's another evidence of me picking an early trade, an early opportunity that just went bananas, but I had to take
but your Moonbirds are going to flip the punks anyway, so it doesn't matter.
Well, I hope so. If they go to like 10 ETH, I was thinking about this the other day. I was like, oh, dude, if they go to 10 ETH, like I'll have 30 ETH from 7.5 ETH, 20, what's that, like 22 ETH, when ETH is like 5 grand, maybe 6 grand. Oh, dude, that's silly money. That's 150 grand. That's like 150.
Yeah. But, and also, the airdrop for Moonbirds, like,
Oh, yeah, true. Well, you know what I was thinking, Eli, and I spoke to Craig about this the other day too. Like, if we're making a lot of money on Abstract meme coins before the airdrop might not even be, like, comparable.
I've already thought about it too. That's why I was, like, thinking to myself, I'm like, does XP... I mean, I still think it'll be significant, especially for us.
Yeah.
Right? Luca flat out said on OG's interview, streamers, they're going to turn something up for us and it's going to be really beneficial. So who knows, maybe we are seen as their core marketing people, like at a certain part, and we get rewarded heavily. So I don't know, maybe the airdrop ends up being more massive than we imagine. Maybe not, but I do agree. I was thinking about it the other day. I'm like, do I really want to hold all this stuff for XP? But then I realized, anyways, I want to hold this stuff anyways because it's all going to melt up. It's all going up. Dude, Gunner chart looks sick.
Yeah,
Craig,
I like this.
No, Craig, I hope you got back into this because I literally
I did not, Eli.
I commented on the stream. I was like, you need to rotate some back in, bro.
I rotated out into Red Spa.
I know, which is still a good trade.
And
but I think
God as well. Yeah, to be honest. I'd be slightly up from doing it, but I kind of miss. I like Guna. I just like it.
I know, dude.
Why do you think Luca didn't buy?
Well, I mean, I said it. No, it's because Polly and Luke are Polly and Gunner and Polly are official Pudgy Penguin IP. Mm-hmm. So even if they're fine with the coin and they're okay with it running to like a bill market cap, like that. I think he can't buy it for legal reasons or conflict of interest because it's not their official coin for that IP. Okay. So it's probably like it's same thing with Barry. Barry the bear is technically the bear from the Pudgy Penguins IP. Okay. So I think that's why he's not buying it. But I've already talked to like a bunch of them. They don't care. Like this might still run to like 100 mil. They have no problem. They think it's funny. Meme. They love it.
Yeah, it's a meme, right? Like that's good about it.
And yeah, I saw you guys say like, oh, the new banner because it has a Gooner version of me.
Yeah.
They updated that I think yesterday because they tagged me in a post that they made for it.
There you go, boys.
Yeah.
There you go.
So,
but yeah, I mean, this chart looks really good. I need to bridge more money to abstract. If I want to become an abstract millionaire, I probably need to bridge maybe another 50 grand over, and I think I could probably leverage that to probably like this is what we like here right now is charts are chilling at really good levels. Like, sure, this could maybe trend here for a while and then do something like this, then go up, right? It could do naturally. That could actually happen. But the fact it's holding up here with the marketing really going up with all these live streams and everything, it's hard to ignore something like this.
I know, man. It's really funny because I talked about it on the show earlier today. Being in the Solana trenches for 2 years has really helped me. And even with the whole Pangu stuff, it's really helped me take a step back in my trade and stick to my thesis and not worry about price action. Because the Gooner chart, like when Luca didn't buy Gooner and people saw that, and much like Craig, they rotated out to buy the coins that he did buy. You know, I looked at it, I'm like, this pullback doesn't bother me. I can see this still going parabolic. And I know a lot of people just sold out. They freaked out, and it, you know, everything is recovered really well. I do think.
Yeah, it has.
Yeah, I think like we do. Farcoin never got listed on a central exchange, and it still went parabolic. So even if
right now though,
yeah, even if people don't, even if Luca doesn't buy a coin, it's okay. Like that doesn't mean it won't do really well.
Thesis if that's the way you're gonna trade, probably it needs to be deeper than that.
The Luca buy is good for the coin that you hold. It's not bad for the coin that you hold. Like it's not bad for a coin if he didn't buy it, but it's just good for the coin if he did. And so I think like Retzba, it's good that he bought it. Is it bad for Gunnar that he didn't buy it? No, who gives a fuck? It's just because it's official IP from Pudgy Penguins. That's it. But yeah, I think it looks really good, like really, really good. It could leg up here, genuinely, with how everything's been going.
Bridging money across, boys. Hold
on. Newt, yeah, he bought Newt. Newt, look. Because Chad's asking me about Newt. Newt just got kind of fucked. It is what it is. Like,
whales dumped it.
The whales dumped it. I feel like it's oversold, genuinely.
But why would you buy it instead of?
I think it's a good scalp.
The equivalent of that market cap region.
Well, because I think it's a good scalp because it's oversold. Like Gunnar looks like ready to break, but Newt
God, is that 5 million now? Holy.
To me, it looks oversold, so I don't mind buying Newt here.
Well, you know, like, I love a 786 pullback.
That's what I'm saying. So, like, I don't mind buying Newt here. It's would I buy a shit ton if I don't have a lot of risk? Like, maybe not, but like I'd put like a couple thousand in and be like, okay, we'll see if this runs back, then I can rotate it out like at the top of the run back, put into something else I'm more passionate about. So we'll see, but I think Newt could have a nice. I think it's oversold. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm not.
Yeah, that's
but yeah. Today we had two big things. Genie, the tool that I called at 100K the other day, they got verified today and ran up to 1 mil.
Fuck.
Yeah.
Craig, I literally called this in GTG, bro. Craig, I called this in GTG, bro. Come on.
Yeah, Genie. Yeah, and also what was the other one that got the tick? SMP.
SMP. The one. Yeah.
The one that I've been taking a profit on.
Actually, Greeny, let me share my screen for a sec. This is Eli and myself. This is the two retards charting last week when you were away.
Craig, look at this. I shared it at 4:49. I said, boys, this chart looks good. Genie bot looks good here. Looks really good here. I was like, when was this? It's 4 days ago.
It's a bloody good shout. I'll show you a bit of Eli and Craig TA here for a sec.
Oh my god!
Look at this, Greeny. This is me predicting where it's going to go.
Wow, you got it right. That's crazy.
Look at that.
Yeah, bro.
Look at that.
That is crazy.
The love line was perfect, mate.
He actually drew this. That's crazy.
Live with Eli, a couple of retards, eh? But
yeah. But you got it.
That was. I thought that was pretty funny. That I'm not wearing. It looks like I'm wearing lipstick. No, it's actually the saturation on this camera, and I can't. It does look very red. I know. I can't get it out.
Well, it's also your lip. I think your lips is just probably more red. But yeah, look, SMP and Genie got verified. I thought it was really interesting. I think there's a little bit of hate or a little bit of drama just because S&P Genie has been building trench tools, like Telegram train tools, since May, like beginning of May. So they've been around a long time.
I wanted to buy it.
Yeah. But S&P is very new, like very, very new. And so, you know, I think like a couple communities were a little upset because they're like, oh, well, why did S&P get verified? I don't know. I generally don't know.
Who didn't get verified that was upset?
I don't want to say it because I don't want to make him look bad. But
no, that's all right.
It's just a lot of Google holders. Were a little upset because Google has had a fucking insane run.
Yeah, hold on. Let's look at this behind the scenes here.
Google's run is crazy.
Yeah, fair. But like, what is it? It's a duck or something.
It's the running duck.
I mean, okay. This is that. What is this?
Well, they're
so fake in my opinion. I don't know.
Well, it's not fake. What they're doing is like their background is Lazy Lion holders, right? Lazy Lion and Quirky holders. So they're very old ETH NFT, like a lot of like OG, yeah. And so they did a lot of like, you know, deals where it's like, hey, you know, if you buy this, we'll give you a kickback of this or whatever. And they've done that a ton because when the coin first came out, I think it was rugged. And then the two guys who are leading it now, they found it and just bought up like 80% of the supply. And they've been like just giving that out to sales to get people in. And so now I think we're just seeing a lot of people come from, you know what? I actually don't mind it. I know it's kind of sucks that I'm not in it a ton. I do have some. But it seems like a lot of the buyers are non-abstract people that are coming over to abstract because of their Lazy Lion relationships and old NFT people. So it seems like that's where a lot of it's coming, and they're just dumping money into it. Now, you know, my only worry for Google is when people are given free stuff, they're more likely to sell it. And so I'm worried about all the OTC kickback stuff that when the first card falls, if it really comes crashing down.
Yeah.
So that's my biggest worry.
Well, question for you, because whoever it is, DD King or whoever sent it, someone sent me some of the like a tiny.
Yeah, I think that was DD King. Yeah.
And someone on Twitter was like, "Oh, Greeny keeps getting all these deals, but all these tokens for free." I'm like, bro, they're just sending it to me because I create value.
Yeah, who cares?
Shells of like $5.
Yeah, someone apparently. Yeah, exactly.
No, I think it was 500. Greeny
just quietly,
it's $500.
It's worth $842 Craig, that he sent me. So do I just dump this and take the 1,200 bucks?
One clip.
What do you think?
But okay, maybe I was wrong. Maybe people who get free stuff feel some guilt, so they don't sell as easily.
Yeah, but I'm gonna take profit max.
I don't know. You definitely are a take profit maxi. I learned that this weekend. On
which chart? Hey, spit it out.
Non SMP.
Right, I'm gonna take.
This man clipped it so hard.
My thinking is with it was unverified. I love the meme. I mean, I had like 5 mil. Like I was like, and I know people like Irk and shit who have 20 mil and Grom. So I was like,
I didn't care about you selling it. I cared about how you sold it.
I sold it into bids.
No, you.
I literally sent you a screenshot. I'll show you. I sent you a screenshot where it's like I'm pretty sure the buying bids were more than how much I sold. Anyways, we can argue about this.
I saw a big red candle. I was like, "Who the fuck just clipped this?" I click on the wallet, and it's Greeny's wallet.
What was it?
I'm gonna take profit, bro.
I don't mind. No, yeah. Look, it is what it is. Here's my thing. If a coin is good, if a coin is good, it'll recover, right?
Yeah,
so
exactly.
Like, whatever.
It's not like I'm dumping, but
I
still own 3 million of that.
Yeah. So you know, but so Google is like looks like it might flip Abster at this point, dude. With the way it's running, I don't know. It was a crazy week though. What
chat did we chat about this in?
Why is
too many chats open?
What's bullish about this, Eli? Google.
I'm not like a fan of the art,
right?
But I've told them that.
Look at this.
You dumped 4K into those buys.
No, this is.
Yes, you did. Those aren't enough buys to stop.
Look at this.
Stop.
Look at this,
bro.
That's over $1,000 there before my sell. No,
that wasn't even the 4K clip that you put. No, go to find the 4K.
There is no way I clipped 4K in one go.
Bro, you literally.
Hold on, better not leak our DMs.
You clipped the chart. Anyways, you can go look for it if you want. But
Disgusting, eh? I guess, look, the real lesson here is don't send Greeny aloe, send Craig
bro,
and Eli
shut
aloe.
up. That's I don't even...
But so Google. Look, at first I was kind of annoyed by it, but I've just come to like whatever. The way they're running
Oh
it
shit! I
is
did
what
sell
it is.
$4,000.
Yeah, I know that. You literally clipped the chart. You were the reason the chart started dumping because you broke the support.
No.
Yes.
It broke support before I sold.
No, wait. Okay, hold up.
Broke macro support.
Wait, look
Yeah,
at that big ass
broke structure.
Ready? Look at this. Look at this. Ready? Look when I sold. I sold after it
Made
broke
a new-
support.
Bro made a new line for it. Okay, look, wait.
No,
Look at it dump.
No, I'm talking about the support. No, I'm not talking about trend line. I'm talking about support. Wait, look.
That's the support right there.
This is Greeny just suppressing price, eh?
Look.
You call
I
it. Look
texted.
at that.
I
It
saw like
broke
the
it.
4K. Wait, look. I saw the 4K clip, and I was like, I found Greeny's wall. I DM'd them like, guys, what do we like, whatever. And Greeny's like, oh no, I just need to take my profits. I won't sell anymore. I'm like, all right, cool. I go to bed. I wake up. I see like 3 1,000 sales in a row or something like that.
You gotta take profits, guy. You gotta. Hey, I bought this early. I literally here. Look at this. Bang bang, bang bang. Hey, you gotta take profit.
No, yeah, I know. It was just very funny.
Okay, well, okay. If I'm not going, I don't even hold. I wasn't even. I think I'm gonna say a top 100 holder. So there is many people with a lot more higher supply than me. So these are the things you do need to be aware of. So I'm actually, as you said, okay, this is hypocritical, Eli, because the other day you said on what token was it?
Yeah, what did you nuke the other day?
Someone nuked a chart, and you're like, oh, it's good because the whales are going out, and it's more.
Oh, I didn't nuke the chart. Yeah, I don't nuke charts.
Yeah, no, I said you hold our bag, so we know it's all good. We're all good.
Hey, but it worked out. I got verified. I thought. No, I'm just saying when big whales exit, it's fine. Now, do I want to be that big whale that exits like that? No, probably not. But I know I can make more money selling smaller clips because of slippage and shit. But yeah, it is what it is. But so Google. I hope Google flips Appster and the whole chain crashes out and everyone argues. I think that'd be really fun.
I actually think that would be funny too. So I'm gonna hold my Google bag for now.
Yeah.
When you get other people doing the work for you.
Well.
Yeah, exactly. No, bro. I'll tell you something. When I first got into crypto and NFTs, every single tweet had lazy lions spamming replies under every single tweet. So I trust this group to go and work for my bags. Go for it. But yeah, I think so. Yeah, it was Greeny got verified, doing really well, and I think if they continue to build tools and all that kind of stuff, it's gonna look good. I think it's awesome. S&P. Grow. We can talk about Grow real quick. This is like a really big thing.
What is it?
So Clanker from Base.
Oh yeah.
They made a launch pad for Abstract, and this is their first official coin that the team launched. So
did it bond straight away?
Yeah. It's, I mean, they launched it. Yeah. And they're also they have a bunch of supply because they airdrop their NFT holders as well.
On Base.
No, here on Abstract, because they have an Abstract collection as well.
Dude,
like NFTs. And so they airdrop that. I actually think it might do well. It looks like the whole airdrop phase might be done. But yeah, so that happened. A lot of people got very upset, like very, very upset. They thought it was a scam. They're like, oh, this is fake volume. This is like whatever. And people didn't even look to realize that is the actual Clanker account pretty much posted the CA and said, this is our coin. And so, yeah, it's whatever. I think it's interesting. Look, the more competition we have for launch pads on Abstract, the better. Moonshot is so ass because coins can graduate with no liquidity. And that's why we see such a massive issue with a lot of our coins. It's too easy for coins to graduate. Okay, I don't need a 1 mil token with
30K.
I don't know what 30K LP, right? Like that's not great. So if we can see more launch pads come out, makes people competitive, figure out how to, we give % back to holders or there's % back buyback. Like if there's more, mechanics to it, I think it's interesting. So Grow, hopefully the launch pad does really well. I think we're going to have more launch pads coming to Abstract within the month from what I've heard. So will be interesting for sure.
Chat says, they thought the X was hacked, but they dumped the collection after the snapshot was taken yesterday. They had some interesting tokenomics found on their X account rewarding diamond hand / people who sweat.
Yeah, cool.
I mean, it's same again, guys. Like TA, and maybe I buy down here. I don't know. Keep an eye on it. All right, we looked at Genie. Well, yeah, I'm in Genie from 6. No, what did I say on before? This breakout here, whatever it is, 450. I think it's, oh yeah, the top here, 450. I think I'm in, or 460 around there. So nearly a 2x.
I would. They're gonna do buybacks. They're gonna do burns, like just like any other
an
tool
easy hold
token
for me
does.
this time.
Yeah.
This Pudgy Invest like is actually, I've been speaking to a few of those guys who are building that out, and I like both products. Like it's cool. This is, as a trader, to have analytical platform things that you can use makes so much sense. So of course I'll support your token.
Yep. Someone said stop promoting a scam. You're promoting a scam. We're covering the news, dude. Get over
it's
it.
price action, bro. Price action isn't a scam.
Well, no, it's not even just that, but it's like if something happens, we're gonna talk about it. This is where people get their information about abstract. Someone in my abstract chat, but like we, we're gonna talk. Check out, dude. I'm not shilling tokens right now. We're covering what the big moments are happening on stream. So yeah, Genie, for me, long hold. Also, like the founders, like the people who are building the devs, they show up every single day and they're always working. To me, that's the easy bet. Let's look at God. I'm a man of, I think we're all men of God here.
Irvy just dropped in my chat and said, Greeny, you got a little spicy on the timeline last night. Care to discuss? Nah.
Nah.
We're not gonna give that clout because apparently I'm thinking about this guy 24/7 in the back of
the head, man. He's
apparently he's in my head. Bro, I deal with tens of thousands of people a week. You're not in my head. Promise. Even though you want to be. You're not in my head, mate. You're not in my head. You're not my head, mate. You're just a grifter. Anyways,
all right, let's check out God. Let's look at God.
Look at God, baby.
God's magnificent.
Dude, it's so good. Oh my God.
Oh, just consolidate. Look at these buys. Look at these buys. I said that. Yeah.
Well, when Grow happened, right? When Grow came out, what do you think happened? People rotated out. People were selling. People were chasing the shiny object, and I just looked at God, and then someone threw in $13,000
into God.
Into God, yeah.
Is it a fresh wallet or what?
Oh, I didn't even check. I didn't care. I was like, fuck it. Okay, nice. W. Look, it's the same thing we talked about before. People sell. People who want to get into that price hold. Those people who buy at those price are less likely to sell at that price. So I'm happy. I know what I hold. I think we've got. If we're getting bids up this high when people are rotating out, I think that's a good sign. Strong coin.
100%. Sorry, I'm just bridging money.
Someone said men of God. Yeah, men of God, exactly.
Oh yeah, no, that was a fresh buy, that wallet, the $3.5 grand one.
Was it a fresh buy? 3.5. Hold on.
Oh, it's 3.5. I don't know why.
Oh, sorry, what did you say, Eli? 7.
I said 13K. Maybe I was wrong.
But might be. Yeah, sorry, that was just.
No, maybe I was wrong. Maybe I just got so hyped.
Because 13 would be pretty.
Yeah, no, maybe I was wrong. Maybe I was so hyped during that moment.
Okay, so next, a lot of people probably tune in just wondering, okay, well, what's the next leg up look like? Like, are we weeks away? Are we days away? Consolidation at these levels, like, what are we thinking here, boys?
I mean, we can go look at other coins in the past that had these. If you want to look at apps or if you want to look at Poly, I don't really know how long those took before their next leg up. I don't think it was much. I don't think it was like super long at all.
Well, this period here was like quite a dry period for.
Oh, that's when the abstract was kind of cooked too.
Yeah, two months there. This one was go from that high, 23 days, so 3 weeks. This one was about 25 days. So yeah, naturally, like can be 2 weeks to a month or a bit longer.
I'll take it. I mean, look, again, ETH is pumping. Abstract is literally. They're just coming out with new stuff all the time, new partners. I will say, I don't know if you were asleep or you were awake. Finn put in a group chat I was in and said, just got off a call. It's going to change everything. I mean, he gets he gets hyped very easily.
Might have been like speaking to his doctor somehow.
but he said big IP coming to abstract, like massive, like the biggest in the world, which I don't. What?
No. Well, what's the biggest IP in the world?
Pokemon. It's Pokemon. It's Pokemon. It's not even close.
Pokemon. Yes, finally.
No, but I don't think his metric is. But that's by grossing. Pokemon is the largest grossing IP in the world.
Yeah.
By far. It's not even, dude. It's not even close. It is unfathomably in first place. I don't think he means by gross sales though, like because Pokemon's not going to do it. No shot. They just partnered with Sui.
Yeah, didn't they?
Well,
Partner with Sui? Yeah,
they just partnered with Sui, so I don't think that's going to happen. So I was thinking maybe in my head I'm like, okay, Labubu, like right now is the biggest thing.
But
that was Pudgy Penguins. That was
no.
Penguins.
Yeah, Luca mentioned Labudu, whatever it's called, Labudu.
Labudu.
All right, man. He mentioned that on one of the interviews the other day. I think on Rant.
Yeah. But the thing is, that was Pudgy Penguins, and that was him saying they could do it better than Labubu,
okay.
right? And so, but maybe Abstract does have a partnership with Labubu. I don't really know, but
well, Pudgy Penguins and Abstract is separate as well. And he
mentioned right. So maybe that someone said McDonald's. I think McDonald's is for Pudgy Penguins though. I don't think that would be an Abstract partnership. Yeah. Because look, McDonald's just came out and said they're going to do adult Happy Meals. Pudgy Penguins could be a good adult Happy Meal.
Adult Happy Meals.
Yeah. So so I thought that was interesting. But yeah, I think God looks good. God looks God.
Irvi said Craig Star Wars LeMayo. What year is it? Craig stuck in the bloody 70s, boys.
Bloody great show, guys. It's a bloody great show.
Mate, I'm a big Star Wars fan.
We're at 15 movies now.
Mate, yeah, I'm a big Star Wars fan, so no disrespect from me.
Yeah,
that's so funny.
Force. I love the Force.
Yeah, I'm one with Eli. Become one with profit. Like you can become one with the Force, man.
Yeah, Yoda's green. Abstract's green. I love Yoda. It's a sign, man.
Should I buy more S&P here?
I'd say yes. Chat says yes.
Nah.
Don't say nah. What do you mean? Top black. I don't know.
I mean,
I reckon you just full go ham.
You don't. But here you don't get it. Greeny. You don't get it. It got verified. Luca's gonna buy it because it's the first non-IP meme coin that got verified on Abstract. Like you're not thinking big enough. You're not proliferating enough.
Sorry, I should have kept my 7.5 million tokens that I have.
I need more.
I knew
this happened, Greeny.
It's almost like holding is rewarding more than trading on Abstract right now. It's almost like that. I don't want.
You should see my buys on God and Rasper. It's ridiculously dumb.
Really, I believe it. I mean, but those are coins where it feels comfortable kind of doing.
Yeah, they're a 25 million play, easy.
Yeah, I agree.
100.
But yeah, so God looks good. Did we look at Retsby yet? Retsby hit all time high. Retsby hit all time high. I think what 2 nights ago.
Maybe a little bit. Oh yeah, no. Oh dude, who bought this up? I was legit.
And it's back up. Look at that. Greeny. All right, so Craig could feel a little okay about
this. This is my baby, man.
Yeah,
this is my new baby. There's some God more, so I got more God. But
and you know what's great, dude? I can tell you right now, Don, the founder of Retspa, the creator of Retspa, the art, he loves God. Like he really, really likes them, like a lot. So I would love to see a partnership between the two. Did you ever see the artwork that God made of Retspa where they burned the house down that Abster was in and they're walking away smirking? No. Oh, I have to find and send it to you guys.
Find that.
It's literally Retspa's hugging God, walking away, laughing, and the house is on fire, and you can see Abster's green flipper in the window.
That's right. Is it his hand? Like Titanic with Rose on the steamy grass, eh?
So good. So yeah, I think those align pretty well. Greeny must have just top blasted S&P though.
No, I haven't yet. No.
Okay, because you keep going back to the chart like you're thinking about it.
No, I was selling something. Yeah, someone else beat me to it, bro. Who's this wallet?
That's a nice buy.
Just put $2,000 in.
Love to see Retspa and God maxis. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So for me, it's like, well, let's call it this line now. So like, I'm like, I don't know. I just don't know.
What don't you know?
I still hold how much. Let's like.
You're talking about S&P?
Yeah, I don't know. Like,
this man's stuck on S&P. He must just buy some.
No, should I buy more Guna? Should I buy more?
I mean, yeah. It's
like,
Guna looks like it's also bet to leg up. Like it actually looks like it might.
Yeah.
How much Guna do you have? Like
$11,000.
And how much
$12,000. S&P's $8,000.
I mean, I don't. Yeah, it's not bad. I think that's a pretty good split.
And then I have a lot more of God and Retspa, like 30K of both.
I think it's.
I'm buying more God. God looks good.
I'm torn between them. Like
I'm right on that fib, man. It's teasing me.
Here's my thing. I love S&P. Eli, one green eyes. For S&P. I do think there's somewhat of a safer bet picking the coins that Luca bought. I don't think that's what makes a coin successful, but I do feel like it might be
Oh,
safer.
dude, people are fucking front running. Dude, chat. This is why I don't. This is. Oh, get off the screen.
Yeah, someone bought $4,000 before the
Dude,
rack.
what the fuck, bro?
Of
Someone's
what?
just
Of what?
buying Gooner and shit right now.
Redspur was the one.
Dude, someone just bought $3,500 of Gooner as well, dude. Okay, I'm
you
not
should see
buying.
my chat right now.
I'm not buying.
S&P Maxi.
I'm not buying.
You dogs on stream, bro. Okay, this is trash, man. I'm not buying.
Clip it. The last time Greeny said trash, it went wild.
Hey. Can you? All right. Well, let's move on from those then, real quick. Let's look at the cats real quick. Let's look at the cats. Cyclops and Meow. You can pick whichever one you want to look at first.
Dirty dogs, man. Dirty dogs.
So Meow is kind of stuck in a range.
Oh no,
I do think Meow probably ends up ripping at some point. Yeah, Cyclops. I actually think. Wait, did it bounce? Where's it at right now?
Yeah, it did a little bit this morning.
Fuck. It got clipped hard again by another whale. Jesus. And this is like the most bullish thing though for me, because we talked about it before. If it can get clipped by whales and people are still bidding, it's like it's verified. Luca bought it. I think they're gonna do big partnerships. I was talking to Thakani, the lead. He's gonna make Cyclops.
Is he the lead of Cyclops?
Yeah. He said to me, he's like, I'm going to make sure that Cyclops is in every single game. Like he wants it to be the Game Cat IP. So I think it's awesome. I think Cyclops is an easy bid for me if you see like big pullbacks like that. Someone just said big God buy just now.
Probably Craig.
Really? 1.5 ETH right now.
I got in just before it.
Oh, nice.
Hey!
Hold on, just buying some memes.
I'm just buying some Bitcoin, guys. Don't mind me.
We got 50 viewers, and one of them's for sure buying. Cyclops has a healthy floor. Rasuka said, "I will keep buying." Yeah, I'm very bullish on Cyclops. I am. I think people really overlook it. I don't know why, but I'm okay with that. Give me more pullbacks. I bought some. Last time I bought it was at that big dip before it ripped again. I can't see the number, but it's the first red line that you have charted out there. That's where I bought another dip. And so I think, yeah, I like Cyclops a lot. It probably goes multi-millions. Like, I would love for it to hit 10 mil before TGE. That'd be awesome.
I still hold Cyclops.
Yeah, I think it's a great coin.
Not a lot, though. Not a lot.
I think the fact that Dith champions it is where, like, I feel super comfortable with it.
Okay, question. Oh, dude, I didn't even think about this. Okay, question for everyone here. I still hold 90k of Pengu for Pengu 1. Should I actually... No, I see it's... I actually bought more Pengu on my spot exchange as well for slightly different exposure, so it wasn't on abstract. Which, I mean, I'm missing out on XP, but that's fine. It's kind of like a way that I can buy and hold it somewhere else. Should I, it's like 3 and a bit grand. Like, should I sell that and plow that into other means? What do we think? From an XP perspective and price go up, or what do we think? I
mean, from an XP perspective, you're not eating off Pengu, right? Like, it's just...
No, you wouldn't be. No way. You'd be...
No.
2,000th holder or something.
Probably. I mean, I don't want to say what to buy, but
no,
I think that money might be like the problem is Pengu is going to go up. I have no doubt in my mind. But my risk tolerance is different, and I'm also I am one with abstract, right? Like I live and breathe abstract, so I feel comfortable playing on abstract more than I do just holding Pengu, right? Someone just said Gooner just hit all-time high.
Yeah, I bought some.
I told you guys it was gonna leg up. Someone just said you guys are pumping.
We're not pumping. This is called trading.
No. So yeah, someone just said, "Oh, you're pumping the fuck out of the bags right now. Keep it up."
I want to buy the coins, man. I want to buy. I don't.
Dude, same. I buy low. I don't buy.
Also, who do you expect to talk about the stuff? Like we're talking about coins.
Let's talk about Shiba Inu. Everyone's really into
right. Let's talk about just Bitcoin the whole time. That'll be great.
You guys heard about Doge? It's this meme coin, man.
Wait, I swear I bought more than that.
I hope we do pump these coins.
I mean,
I'm in it.
Someone's got to do it. Whatever.
I do want my coins to pump. I'll be honest. I definitely prefer them up than down.
Right. Yeah.
That's shit, everybody.
Someone said, "Could we have this stream 24 hours? I need to see God hit 10 mil." Oh, that's play away.
Yeah.
I mean, admittedly, though, we've been
By the way,
speaking
was
about these
live.
coins for fucking months.
Yeah.
Months,
I mean,
months.
dude, I mean, bro, nobody cared when
I couldn't pump these coins when they were 100 grand, man.
Look, no one cared about God. No one cared about me talking about God when I was talking about it at 100K for literally a month. Go look at God. God did not just pop up out of nowhere. It had 30 days where it was at the bottom. It was sitting there. Nobody was buying it.
I front ran some buys here. Let's go.
Wow. Hey, I just want to say, shout out to the people who nuked their Gooner to chase shit because Luca didn't buy. That was a great decision.
So silly. I kind of want to have 15 grand, so I still need another 1.5, but it might break out here, so I won't get a chance to buy. So to answer my question, I should just dump my 4 grand or 3 and a bit grand of Pengu. Craig, what's your thoughts on that?
Yeah, I mean, I'm going through the same thought process.
You have a shit ton more than me on Pengu, man.
Yeah, I know.
Actually, that is a limitation of your XP. Is if I'm going to be truthful, I think that is like you would be with what? How much do you have? 25. So that would be
got 20 on the abstract wallet. Yeah.
In US, so that would probably be what, like a couple of
Actually,
hundred.
I've got about 10. I've got about 30 grand of Pengu.
Oh, dude, you probably need. Craig.
Maybe
that's a lot.
30.
That is a lot, and you're not going to get that XP. You're not going to get that XP. I had a look at it because there was a guy in GTG who's like, Greeny, like I hold 3 grand of Pengu and I'm not getting any XP. I said, go and look at what holder number you are on the Pengu list. And he was like thousands. And I was like,
maybe I should sell like 5 grand of it or something.
So you remember when I was talking about like Pengu dominance? So Mindful Market, OG just said, I'm using Pengu as a place to hold instead of holding it in ETH, which I do think is actually interesting.
I like that, OG. That's a good strat. I do like that.
So, you know, I think that's a good way to look at it. But I think that goes back to the whole Pengu dominance thing. Is, you know, people eventually
rotate back for safety. I do. I rotate my profits.
I didn't even think about doing that. That's a good strat.
Why didn't Pudgy Invest give me royalties for this platform? Huh? Where's my name under this? But yeah, so I think
is this what you guys use for your
nah,
P&Ls?
This is what
I don't touch P&L tools because it freaks me out. It makes me think too much about how much I have.
Take some out then, bro. Take some out.
Not yet, dude. We're so close.
Not yet.
We're so close yet so far.
No, we're going way high.
We are.
It's just another dip. 6 months later, it's just another dip. Greeny, it's gonna come back. 12 months later, it's just another dip. Greeny, it's gonna come back.
Yeah, but luckily my entry is like 100K on Gooner, so I don't really have to worry too much about it. But you know, but yeah, so I think we look good. Wait, can we look at? So we looked at Cyclops. I think Cyclops again. I'm very bullish on Cyclops. I think it cooks. I think it'll go crazy. Can we look at Meow? I think Meow has this generational curse that it's bound to break at some point. Where it's just stuck in this like trend. Yeah, but I think
that's good consolidation though. Is it going to catch the bid? Is it going to catch the bid?
Yeah, I think it will. I think it will. Team, everyone likes Meow. Like all the other coins, they have a good relationship with Meow. They're verified. I'm surprised Luca didn't buy Meow. To be honest, it felt like a really solid pick for him. But again, it doesn't make or break it. I've seen the wallets that have sold on all the Meow pumps. I think we'll see a break soon at some point for sure.
Okay, so are you interested in NFTs at all at this moment, or because Memecoins just have more XP, that's just an easy route to take in a more sort of for smaller wallets who I know a lot of people who watch us don't have, unfortunately, as much liquidity, which is totally fine. You got to trade your way up, but
I'm not interested in NFTs to trade. I'm interested in NFTs to invest in, right? So like Moonbirds. I have my Moonbirds that I got at like 0.5. I have my Gigaverse ROMs that I use every day. Yeah, I use them, right? Like it's fun to use them.
Yeah.
And then I have a bunch of like NFTs that I have a bunch of Boomies, which are the like Labubu NFTs on Abstract. They're like $18. I like them though. Like I think they're really cool. I see a lot of people rocking them. I see a lot of people rocking the Boomies as PFPs on Twitter, which to me is a good sign. If they're that cheap and I see a lot of people rocking them, I think it's cool. Also, like even Don, the founder of Retzba, his PFP is a Boomie. He has it as his what? Did we break?
Nah, it's just slippage right now is crazy, bro.
Oh my god, we look.
Dude,
so
who
good,
bought
though.
1.5 ETH of God?
That's what they're saying. So that someone threw that in, and Craig bought right before.
Wait, this is Craig's little buy here at $50.
Yeah.
nah,
No, mine's a smaller. It's the 250, I think, is my one.
Nice. Okay.
Yeah, big buys. Oh, fuck, I get edgy buying around there.
I'm a wallet snoop. I'm gonna go check who this is.
Thank you for the 100 pengu. What's a top blast? I like. Here's the thing. Whenever I post charts, it's almost like I'll never tell people what to buy or when to buy. Like I'm not a caller. I know like it's like I don't tell people when to buy. But I like presenting charts where I feel like there's opportunities to look at, and so it's either that or I'm celebrating all-time highs. But luckily they haven't been top signals.
See, is it time to like? Holy shit! This person does have some money in their wallet. They're a bronze user, so they're new.
Man of God, man of God, a new man of God. They've just
could be Rich Nick coming across, man.
Yeah,
I did. I hung out with him in Clemente the other day.
We're as long as he shows up, he's on our show on Friday. So there's the news. Choose Rich Nick on our show.
Nick, we've got Nick coming on.
I didn't even think about bringing him on.
He's so funny in DMs, man. I'm like, bro, can we lock you in? He's like, yeah. And then I'm like, and then
is that how he sounds like to you?
Yeah, he's funny. It'd be good to chat to him. I haven't talked to him for a while, so.
That's funny. I didn't even think about asking him to come on. That's hilarious. We worked out together. We went to the gym, me, Clemente, and Nick, and he went and did like full body weight stuff. But he's a character. He's awesome.
He did. Nick strikes me as the sort of guy that would go do a lot of floor work and stretching, man, Pilates and stuff.
I think so, but I think
bench pressing.
Yeah.
Then they took us into the sauna, bro. They made me go into the sauna, and we sat in the sauna for like 20 minutes, and there's just like. There's like 40 guys in the sauna, just like, they're funny. They're awesome. But maybe he just aped God. God looks good. Meow. I'm missing Mojo. I actually think Mojo could be strong now that the whole. So Mojo, IP coin.
I got some in your wallet.
We looked at this the other day, didn't we? No. I swear to God, we looked at this and we watched the video that they have on their Twitter, the promo trailer they made.
Might have been you and me, like.
Might have been, yeah.
I have $14 of Mojo.
Nice, you're a whale. So typical thing. They got sniped out the gate. I think people nuked their stuff. They got, whatever. I think people got rid of their supply, and it caught some bids, and now people like it. I really actually do like Mojo. Like genuinely, I don't really have much. I've been hoping for a big pullback. I really like the IP a lot. I haven't tweeted it just because I really want to make sure that it's a safe play.
Well, that's my only query with a lot of these stuff.
Yeah. But I really
are they?
I don't think so yet. But I really like the IP a lot. Like a lot.
Here's the video.
Yeah. I'm a fan of it.
So what is he, like a Yeti or something?
Yeah. He's a Yeti. Yeah, Mojo the Yeti.
Not bad.
No, I like it, dude.
Hey, it's that guy with the fucking bowl cut.
And he has his little pet. And the art's really. I don't know. I like it. If I can get a sick pullback, I'm probably a buyer.
Be interested in. Yeah.
But if it runs without me, then I'll probably like commit seppuku. But I like it a lot. The IP is great.
Seppuku.
What about Alpha right now?
I haven't even looked at Alpha. Oh, Alpha is another coin I really should look at, but at this point I'm so confident in these coins. Let me see.
It's got no volume.
We're on Twitter right now.
Yeah, I know.
I don't know.
It's only got 39K of volume in the past 24 hours. So it's not in the top 30.
That's fine. People aren't selling it. I'll hold it. Again, it's verified. Luca bought it. Like, so obviously he thinks the IP has potential.
Yeah.
Again, once the fact that Luca said he was methodical about his buys makes me really think, okay, he looked at the IP and thought this has a chance to do well. So if he has a vision for that, then I'm not worried. But the volume low and no sells is actually bullish to me because that means the holders aren't really interested in getting rid of it.
What else did he buy? What did Luca buy? What was his?
He bought Alpha, Retspa, Bandit, God.
Yeah.
What else, chat? Cyclops.
Is Bandit someone's dog?
It's his dog. Yeah.
Oh, it's his dog, of course.
Yeah. So Bandit could do good. these aren't my type of plays, honestly.
Yeah. I don't really want to buy a founder's dog.
The only reason it works for Dith is because it's a character that he made.
Yeah, and it's
like,
unique. It's got one eye. It's called Cyclops.
It's also the only pixel art on Abstract.
Yeah,
right?
and it was
like
first, I think, wasn't it? Like as far as like a pet and it's non-ping.
Oh, and he bought Newt as well.
Did he?
Or maybe Newt's the one that we should be looking at.
Dude, that's what I was saying to you. I feel like it just seems like it's oversold. It feels oversold. But if I'm wrong, that's fine. But
yeah, that's fair.
I mean, if he bought that though, and that chart there is probably not a bad buy because that is Terminator.
Not a bad buy there, Mike.
That's not a bad buy. You call that a knife? You call that a chart?
You call that a bottom? It's a bottom.
He didn't buy Newt. No, I'm pretty sure he did buy Newt. No, wait, Rasuka, are you sure? I'm pretty sure he bought.
I don't know. I actually don't know if he did buy Newt.
I think he bought Newt through Relay. So it doesn't show as swap. It shows him sending ETH and then him receiving Newt. But I'm pretty sure he did. I'm pretty sure he traded it. God is the official dog on Abstract. If you study memes, and you know it's a guaranteed 100 mil runner. I mean, 100 mil runner. I'm not gonna give a price target. He bought Newt. Yes. Okay. OG just confirmed he bought Newt. Yeah.
Okay.
He just used Relay. Man, Gunnar looks so good.
Oh, you dirty dogs! I wanted to buy more of this.
Dude, I cannot wait to bring Clemente onto the stream. This is what's gonna happen. I'm gonna bring Clemente on the stream. I'm gonna roast his ass, and then someone's gonna make a clip of 3 months ago when he told me not to buy, and it's a dumbass coin, and then we're gonna say 3 months later, like the SpongeBob meme, and it's gonna be me flexing on him.
I love it. I love it, mate. I love it.
I love it.
I'm gonna top blast a little bit more.
What else have we looked? We haven't looked at Barry yet. We should look at Barry.
All right.
I think Barry's solid.
Just clicking some buys, mate. Sorry.
He's nuking SMP. No.
I'm selling it. Not afraid to sell.
I was just going off the abstract transactions. Yeah. But that's what I'm saying. When you use Relay, it doesn't show up as swap on the portal. It'll show as you sent ETH and then you received the token. Nothing's better than watching you guys pump my backs to Valhalla. This is great. Okay. Yeah, sure. Sounds good.
Pump it to Valhalla.
Barry. Yeah. I mean, I think you probably as a trader, you'd wait for that level to buy some.
I'm just top blasting into something right now. Sorry.
But I'm saying, like, if you're going to trade Barry,
this time personally, I'm not really interested at this point in time.
Okay.
And also, when you called it last week, shared that they were doing their buybacks, it was already here. It was a breakout already, so I was like, I'm not really keen to buy that. And also, like for me, right, the difference between something like this and something like Guna is because this is breaking out after consolidation for
that looks so good
for 3 weeks. So this is a very different chart. Yeah, I'm pumping it. That's why.
Why couldn't it do this before my XP dropped, bro?
I just bought more. Anyways,
did you, Greeny?
Yeah, I did. Dirty dog. Yeah, so no, I think it's comfy. I like, look, there's not much I'm really like. The only chart that I probably like from a technical standpoint right now would be Meow and Newt. And Newt. I actually bought a little bit of Newt just before.
Not Cyclops?
No, it hasn't pulled back far enough for me, like from a good perspective. So, yeah.
Every time you say that, it ends up ripping the next day. Because the pullbacks are so shallow on Abstract.
Well, I mean, I still own.
I know. I'm teasing.
Shout out to Bazooka.
What other coins haven't we looked at yet? I didn't look through the top list. Let me see.
Sorry. Oh my God! It's 9 million. 9 million. No wait. Why is it? Oh, dude, Dex credit. New all-time high for Gunnar. Woohoo!
Gunnar.
Wait, check out that last buy, Greeny.
So loud. Holy shit, I'm deaf.
Check out who's the last buy on that one. It's me.
Craig's top buy, my buy. Let's go.
Dump on me, please.
Let's go.
Oh,
so
man.
the thing you need to look at too, like, is are you in profit? Like in terms of have you taken enough out? So I've bought more, I've sold a little bit, and I still have some in P&L. So that's interesting. Yeah. Anyways.
Fuck, how much slippage was on that?
Yeah, dude, it's dirty slips on Abstract.
Someone asked about Dark Pangu. Actually, I haven't. Let me see.
We'll have a look at it. It's just consolidating sideways. There is actually, I swear, I was on my phone the other night looking at Abstract Portal, and there is a dark button on the phone. I took a screen video of it, and I.
Is it the dark or it's the light one?
I don't know. but
I think
it's the light where I've
Yeah,
tried pressing it.
but like
yeah. It's meant to be a meme where it
that's what
flashbangs
I figured
you.
it was a meme, but I was gonna
Yeah.
clickbait it on YouTube. I mean, on Twitter, and just like
They,
drive.
Dark mode's in.
no, they added an extra light mode to where when you click it, it just makes your screen white. Like
Yeah.
it just makes it
Oh,
white.
yeah.
Yeah, no, that's what
Yeah.
it did. That's what it
Yeah.
did. Yeah, I didn't even think about that. Yeah, there you go. Hold on, I'm just gonna run it.
Yeah, so dark mode, it looks fine. It's just like slowly grinding up. You have to type it. It's not in the top right now.
Oh, okay. My screen is also being weird.
But it's just like slow grind up.
Steady, lad. Steady.
I think the day it gets dark mode, it goes to fucking 5 mil or some shit. Like it goes parabolic. It's just like this. It's like the biggest like edging thing that people have been waiting for in abstract.
It is,
It is. It really is. And again, dude.
Not a bad buy, bro.
And you should look, bro. You should see the engagement on their Twitter. It is. It is crazy. Yes, bro. I don't know. Like, yeah, it's really, really impressive.
Maybe I should start posting about him and see if the community gets
2.1K.
That's very impressive for a meme coin. All the likes. No, that's really good.
2K.
It's more than I get.
2K.
Right. No, my engagement's picked up lately. You guys, I'm sure, has as well. But mine's
I mean, I can show you my engagement.
been pleasantly surprising.
Here it is. What are we? This is past year, so I mean, you got to be consistent, boys. You got to be consistent. But I mean, yeah, well, mine really turned on. This is that was my Frank tweet. Thanks,
God bless him, eh?
yeah, but like, I mean, it's just consistency. But yeah, in terms of new followers, I saw your thing the other day, Eli. What, you're getting 100 a day? I'm a little
over 100.
Yeah,
like
good.
depends
but
on my tweeting days.
It's funny because like all I tweet about is abstract. I'm averaging, I think it was 125 a day.
How many impressions are you getting a week? I would usually average 850-ish. Yeah, so I'm up a little bit, 870.
Impressions. Oh, you said a week?
Yeah. It's just interesting looking at stats like
7 days. Impressions, 1.25 mil.
Yeah, nice.
That's
Very nice.
good, dude. Fuck.
So
I think I post too many theoretical tweets.
I think they do well though. No, I think those are good.
Clickbaity, I think, is my.
I'm just gonna start going real smart, because
like this,
that's
like,
what hits.
I'll write like, for example,
Info-fi stuff.
this sort of stuff. Like people vibe with this. Like, oh, see, this is the tweet that people would like to engage with. This one, like here, like if I was to start with 1 to 3K, every mistake I make, but they don't really.
Yeah, but it does well. No, yeah, but I think you're confused. That is really good. Like,
oh, I mean,
that's almost 4K. I just tweet a lot.
Okay,
so it's like
I schedule every half an hour up until 1
Oh,
a.m.
see, I don't schedule. I'm tweeting on the fly every like 10 minutes because I'm bored. Like,
I'm a busy man. I'm a busy.
No,
man.
I know, but what I'm saying is that that's good, and that's good impressions. I just like because I just get the more. Well, I get the same impressions. I just tweet a lot more. So if you could keep those impressions and just tweet more, you probably hit it. But yeah, I actually think Dark Pengu looks good. There's nothing bad about the chart for me. It's just a slow chart. It's taking a long time to rip. Sometimes slow cook is a good cook, so we'll see. Again, I don't want to put it out there, but I do think when dark mode happens, this coin has been around long enough to where people.
Do you think
it's cultural?
Like, is that on the radar sooner rather than later, or what do you?
Yeah, for sure. I think so, because they keep teasing that there's going to be an overhaul of the abstract portal. I think dark mode comes with that overhaul.
You reckon?
For sure. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, I mean, for sure. I would be shocked if they overhaul the entire platform and they don't add a dark mode. I would leave abstract if they don't add dark mode in that moment.
Someone clip that shit.
I would go to base.
Oh shit! Clip it. Wow. So you can just CTO, not even CTO. Just send me all your tokens, please. That'd be great.
Okay, let's take the chart off. Someone just fucking aped it.
Dude, what? I literally tried to buy. Dude, look at this.
All right, look at it. That's
transaction failed because someone front run me.
Why you try to trade through the portal, dude?
Because I can't trade on the other ones, bro. No, I'm not trading through the portal. I'm using.
What are you trading on, Eli? Loot.
No, I like relay. No, reservoir is for IP or LP stuff, I think, right?
No, it has a swap. It's a cheap.
Oh, I didn't know that. Oh, okay.
Dude,
yeah, maybe I should try it.
Are you?
I haven't even looked at the chart. Fuck,
dude,
that's crazy.
Are you deadly serious right now, chat? Are you deadly serious?
Holy shit. Okay. Well, it broke the trend.
Dude, who the fuck just bought 2 ETH?
No, you're lying. You're
Not
lying.
even lying.
Oh my god, dude.
Dude, are you serious? I was like literally clicking, and it just failed because of the slippage.
It was Craig. Look at his face. He's being silent.
I'm gonna check this wallet right now.
I was actually trying to buy S&P. I didn't have
Dude, we can't stream charts anymore. We're gonna have to leave it. We're gonna have to leave it in the past.
We're gonna have to stick to big caps now.
Oh yeah, what's the biggest
Let's
cap?
talk about Litecoin. Let's pump that.
Yeah.
Chainlink looks great here.
You and I said I went to go buy as well. Crying emoji face.
Dude, what the actual wall?
That is crazy.
Wait, what's the wallet? It ends in 4-5.
Craig Greeny is about to do some.
Luca, right? Imagine if it's Luca. Fuck, that'd be so funny. I'd actually.
That would be nuts.
So Doc's wallet's on screen.
I mean, the thing is, look, Dark Penguin is the same thing as Retspo, right? It's original IP.
There's no way. He literally bridged. So this person, they do have a name on here.
Okay.
I don't know how to even pronounce it, but
Nicholas.
They literally bridged. They bridged 15 grand 4 minutes ago and bought 8 grand of Deepangu 2 minutes ago.
They bridged just for this?
I don't know, but they bridged more. They just bridged 15 grand like 4 minutes ago.
That's a very big buy for a first time.
But
buy,
they also own a shit ton of big as well.
Oh,
interesting. It's a different kind of trader, eh? Big and Deepangu.
And they
that
also
sounds like me.
Oh, no,
Yeah, it's a real Eli combo, eh? It's quite a.
And they also own Pengu though. They also do.
Unusual.
Dude, are you serious, bro? That was I was actually very keen to buy.
That was crazy. And hey, it broke the trend line.
Okay, hold on. I'm putting my bags back up on the screen.
Yeah, Gooner's
Greeny, send it.
It's trying to pump Genie. I'm crying.
What about Meow? Where's Meow? Hold on. This one.
Meow will rip though. I think you just pass it. Meow. I do think Meow ends up in the same. I think Meow is in the same category as Dark Pengu though.
Oh, 900. Nice.
Oh look, yeah, like. Yeah, I think a lot of these coins, Giga Whale is watching. I know, dude. I have 56 viewers on Abstract. I think one of them's probably at this point.
Dude, what the hell? And I have 19. We literally, Craig, you third as well.
Are we top 3 again?
Let's have
I don't know what I am.
Hold on.
Bro, Craig sounds like he's in a different universe.
Memecoins is in third spot.
Meta, can you stop streaming real quick so we can get a snapshot?
I'm just trying to accumulate a few things.
Bro, Greeny, what is the thumbnail you picked of me? I have water in my mouth.
What?
Bro, look at the thumbnail. Oh, maybe my.
Where?
On
naturally, it does that anyway, bro. I don't pick them. It just.
We are 1, 2, and 3.
Are you?
Oh, we are. There you go. Metatonic.
1, 2, 3, baby.
I need to refresh the page.
You know what happened? I bet you Rasuka just pulled up a shit ton of windows and just went to alt.
Yeah, I know. Rasuka's probably good.
Yeah, you like my thumbnail?
Get it out there, boys. Get it out there.
Eli, your thumbnail's the best, bro. With you screaming.
Also, we have 2.1k people watching, boys. We have 2.1k, so appreciate this big stream.
Yeah.
Big stream.
Yeah. So
Leon,
Dark Penguin.
Leon also says I literally have 4 streams going, so I can watch all the chats at the same time.
Yeah, that's hilarious. Appreciate you guys.
Appreciate you guys. We really do. And speaking of, we'll hopefully have some more community giveaways and stuff soon. I'm talking cash, totens, these sorts of things. Craig, I went out for lunch with a pretty big network yesterday in crypto, like very big, not pretty big, very big. And might be partnering with them hopefully in the coming weeks as well. So
I know, yeah, we've got some good stuff coming up, guys. So stay tuned. Lot of cash, lot of cold hard.
Lot of cash. Look, cash, mate. Dude, I cannot believe I didn't get into Deepangu.
I mean,
how's my shit looking? Good.
Did you guys end up ever buying Paco or no?
No.
It's Taco Paco, is it?
No, PACO. I swear, I did.
So
you guys don't buy shit I ever send you.
No, bro, you send it
not
at
until
like
it's
2
way
a.m.
higher
in the morning, bro. You send it at 2 a.m. in the morning. I wake up. You should see my phone in the morning. It is
bro. You responded. You said, "What is this? Any alpha?" And I'm like, I don't know. I just thought it was funny. And you're like, I don't know.
Yeah, I need you to give me a thesis at least. You know,
I said I used the pull up the chart. I haven't looked at it in like a few days. It's definitely not gonna be up there. I think the volume's way slower. Maybe not. Mando said he's sponsoring Greeny.
Mando. No, well, yeah, he hasn't. Actually, need to send him.
Oh, it is up there. Oh, nice. Oh shit.
Hold on, I need to follow up with Mando. Wait, when did Mando say he was sponsoring me?
No, someone on YouTube just said it. Paco, the chicken.
Dude, what the fuck is this shit?
No, it's so funny, dude. And check out the website. Here, bring up the website and stream. Ignore the chart. Who gives a fuck about the chart?
Is this gonna bring out the old Greeny term in a second?
No, I don't know what that means. What? Oh, no, I actually like the website.
Yeah,
right, so
he talked about this last week, bro.
So it's so cute. Yeah, but then he added a game too.
This looks like a god ripoff. This looks like a god ripoff. Not gonna lie.
It's not. It's just a chicken. I think it's because it's yellow. You see that. They made the Ibiza guy. But I thought it was really funny because they had a red do-rag, so I made one similar to my guy. And then they added
a really annoying.
I know, dude. I'm gonna ask him to take it off. It's so annoying. But I thought it was cute, and I thought it was funny. And then they added a game at the top above the app generator. It's like a whatever game they did giveaways for. They did giveaways up scores. They were doing so they're already doing stuff.
Why am I flying right now?
I don't know. You have better luck than me. Last time I did this shit, I died right away.
Not anything.
Wait, did you sign in?
I don't know.
You could probably do it after. Wait, what the fuck? Why are you doing?
I'm not doing anything.
I know. How are you doing this good though? What the fuck? Oh, there it is. Yeah, you're done. You're cooked. You could have scrolled to the side. That scores seems pretty good.
Am I like winning now?
Well, what's the leaderboard? Where would you rank? Probably not high at all.
Billion.
Oh no, don't sign in. There's
no. Yeah, this person's at 200k and they're only at like fifth spot. I'd be actually pretty good. I reckon.
Well, then sign in. Connect your Twitter for the contest.
Connect your Twitter and get hacked, bro.
You're not gonna get hacked. Anyways, yeah.
Oh, dude, no way, bro. This chart's pumping too because we brought it on stream.
But that's why I said bring up the website, not the chart.
Dude, it's nuts, bro. Don't buy the shit we bought on stream. Okay, non-financial advice. Do your own research, please. Do not top blast into these sort of tokens. Okay, thank you.
Whatever. In the end, everything's going up in abstract, and this shit won't happen much longer.
Incorrect. It's gonna be. You rarely.
Like when everything's 10 mil, we won't be able, like charts won't move like this when we talk about the stuff on stream, which will be nice.
Holy shit, that looks dodgy ass. What just happened to Greeny?
What do you mean?
That looks so dodgy.
What do you mean?
Look at the transactions.
I can't. Someone just turned on the volume bot. Like
it's a bot.
Yeah, but like I could do that for any coin right now if I wanted to. It's not expensive at all. It's like $10. So yeah, it's because it doesn't do anything to the chart. It just gets it volume to have
that's what Solana memes do as well. That's an interesting tactic by someone.
But I always think it's interesting because people are like, "Oh, the coin's a scam." I'm like, dude, no. Like any holder can.
Yeah, anyone can do that. Oh, yeah, grow could break out here, chat. There you go. There's a chart that I would normally buy. Okay, maybe. But yeah, Absa's chilling, man. Like it
had a nice rip though. That was crazy the other day. It ran.
But like, I think a lot of tokens are going to play catch up and start getting to that 20 mil mark soon.
I mean, Google's literally at what 13 mil. Yeah. So it could easily whatever playbook they're running. Who knows? Oh my God, that looks so good. Wow.
7.1 for God as well. This is holding up very well.
I'm excited, man. I think every time it seems gloom and doom on abstract, it just makes me realize these people have not been around in the ecosystem long enough to see stuff go through phases. I'm not, and I tweeted the other day, but I was like, look, I know this is a hot take, very controversial take, but you don't need to sell good tokens to then go buy a new token, right? Like you don't have to rotate to buy stuff. And then people are like, oh, yeah. Then I said, get a job. You should have a source of income to where you're able to, buy more stuff. I don't want to sell my Bitcoin to go buy Ethereum. I want to just make some more money to then go buy some more Ethereum. Or else you're like Craig, where he just fucking clipped his Gooner to buy a Retzba instead of just buying both.
And then just last the Gooner again.
Yeah.
Also, I spoke to my tax, or he put a post up yesterday, my tax accountant, and he's like, oh, like like doing your own tax in crypto these days is not advisable because of just the variety of transactions that you have on each chain, and the variety of all the chains, right? And then I commented and I said, I was literally talking about this on stream with Craig yesterday about abstract specifically, because you have gambling apps, you have meme coins, you have tips, you have OTC deals, you have NFTs, you have liquidity pools, you have everything. And he's like, yeah, thank you very much for being my sort of prototype on abstract in terms of tax. And I was like, oh no, that's not good. That is not good.
Dude,
Wait, Mando said he's sponsoring me, Greeny, on Phono Hour. When was he saying that? I don't remember that. Did he say it today on Eli's show or a different show?
He didn't say it on my show.
Yeah.
Oh, also, wait, can we talk about can we look at Bitcoin real quick and talk about
well, Polly's breaking down. This is the one chart that
I just but I feel like the problem, the thing is with Poly and breaking trends, I feel like they have market make I think every time we've seen one of these, it ends up ripping up. I feel like maybe they have market makers.
Yeah, I think this is, you can literally see the step ladders here, like literally multiple times, where like they do something right where it's like, okay,
so even, if I don't buy here, I would probably ape at the next orange line if I was to trade this. It's just hard. Yeah, Bitcoin, dude. I bought on this pullback this morning. It just, dude, it's so good. You sold?
I sold all my miners, and I sold, and that was another reason.
I actually saw you. I saw you sell your miners. Yeah.
Wait, how do you see my? How did you know I sold my miners?
Because when I saw you clip S&P, no, when I saw you clipped S&P, I went to your wallet and saw that you had sold your miners.
Oh, okay, yeah. Because I was about to say, like, because someone else said, no, OG said on somewhere I saw, if someone wants to buy, who would like to buy a Blackwell miner for 0.75. Wait, is that just, how do you do that OTC? I don't.
No, you don't anymore. Wait,
I don't think you can.
Yes, you can. Wait, all right, come on.
How do you buy a miner OTC?
The big up. No, listen. I did a whole.
Big.
No, okay, listen. I did a big stream. I did a Bitcoin stream.
Yeah.
And on that stream, someone sent me a link. I clicked it. It was an OpenSea link, and they made mining rigs NFTs now on
secondary
chain
market. Okay.
Yeah. So now you can buy and sell mining rigs, which is fucking amazing. Like it's changed how the whole game is played. Like the ecosystem changes so much now.
Okay.
And so now you could buy. What are Blackwells right now? Can you type in Blackwell? Actually
a fair play, because like, see, I thought about this the other day. I was like, well, I don't want to buy. Like, I have to upgrade my room. I'd have to go buy. Well, I sold like 500 big. I think I had the other day.
Someone said, I don't think technical analysis is useful with these types of coins.
Oh, dude, shut up.
Don't get Greeny going. But type in Blackwell where it says search them by items.
Is it name or is it item?
No, just look. Oh wait, go back to that. Look, no.
It's
name. No. Go, scroll up. No. Go. You were.
Oh.
I'm gonna kill you. All right, go back to where you were.
Oh, I'm typing Blackwell.
That too. Yeah, that's fine.
1.1 ETH. Holy bro.
Fuck! I should have bought one. Oh.
What were these yesterday?
No, they dropped to 0.7.
They 0.7.
They dropped down to 0.7, and right now they cost like.
Oh yeah, 0.75. Hectic.
Yeah, fuck.
There's only one listed though.
Now
there's 1,000. Why can't I see sales OpenSea? Come on, be better.
I don't know. Yeah, fuck, dude. God, we want the Eli miner. Oh, dude, the Eli miner is gonna be rare, man. So type in Farquad real quick or Eli.
How the hell do you spell that? You have a miner.
They put me in the game. So the only way to get the Lord Eli Farquad mining cosmetic is you have to be a guest on the Eli stream. You have to be a guest on Max Abstraction. And so that went to Board Elon and EJR because they were on the Max Abstraction during the show. So yeah, I think Bitcoin is gonna cook now. Again, if the MinePad stuff becomes a reality, to the point that like they were sharing the vision.
In charge of it now? Is Board in charge?
It's not just him. It's like a team of like 7 people. Like it's a full team.
Okay.
And so Board Elon was like kind of the face of it. But yeah, I'm very excited, dude. When they brought up the point where, you know, if Luca had $1 million in Pangu and went to big Bitcoin, they're like, hey, I want to give out $1 million of Pangu through Bitcoin or through the MinePad. People who have mining rigs will slowly mine that 1 million Pangu, the $1 million worth of Pangu. Like it's a really, really, really cool system.
So if I sold my miners on Bitcoin like page the other day, I sold it for big. That's separate to selling it on secondary.
When did you do that? Yesterday?
A few days ago.
Was it when they had their moment?
I don't know, but I logged in.
I've never tried selling.
I like logged in. It's like selling mine. I was like, fuck yeah, done.
It might have been during a moment where they were doing buybacks before they made it NFTs, and you might have gotten a better deal doing that.
Well, honestly. I got Bitcoin, right, and then but I sold all the Bitcoin just earlier today. Actually,
yeah. Bro sold all of his miners cooked. Yeah, but that block cap says that because he literally just put his life savings into Bitcoin.
Exactly, but also I have to upgrade my room. Maybe I should have with the big that I sold.
Maybe.
Can you upgrade quickly, or are you stuck with it?
You have to wait. You have to wait 1 day to upgrade.
I'm an impatient man. No, I'm very patient.
But I wish I would have bought a Blackwell when it was 0.7 ETH. I think I put an offer, but it never hit. But Blockcap, you also nuked a shit ton of the coins I'm in to buy that Bitcoin. So fuck you. Yeah. So I think Bitcoin's cool. If the MinePad stuff ends up playing out how we assume it will, I think we are going to eat really, really, really well. Like, seriously. I think it's going to be fucking massive. So, looking forward to that. Thank you for the 1,000 Napster Blockcap after you fucking nuked my bags.
Wait, someone said to check Bold's newest post. Look funny, thought. Wait,
did he just make a new meme?
Yeah. I mean, yeah.
Rang but 2 Blackwells for 0.7. Fuck.
Parabolic every day, no pullback, 0 dips.
Okay.
I thought it was abstract specific here. So.
No.
Well, I'm about to pump your bags, Eli, because I've got the big chart up on stream. So.
I mean, you know what's crazy? Bitcoin in my head has always been so massive that I'm like, okay, the market cap's so high, like the liquidity it's so high, like we can never move it. But it was at like a 2 mil the other day. But yeah, so shout out to Bitcoin. Buy Cyclops in Bitcoin. Yeah, that's true. Cyclops is the only meme coin that has a cosmetic mining rig in the game. Yeah. Again, dude, if Takani pulls it off and he gets Cyclops in every single like game on Abstract, I think that's such a sick vision to have. So yeah, shout out if you're able to do that. But yeah, I think that's mostly everything, right? All the meme coins. What?
I'll buy you dinner if you need the money, Greeny. Because I think he must be watching the stream. And I said,
is that Google's?
Oh, well, let me say real quick. I'm thinking about selling my Google as well. Oh my God, dude. I just need the money super bad. I'm really thinking about selling it.
I'm selling some too. I don't even hold any.
Oh, goodness me.
You know my wallet. Just
Twitter's a funny spot. Yeah, it literally is Lazy Lions. You are right. It's straight in the DMs there.
Yeah.
Some dude with 12K followers. Yeah.
Yep. Is it true Pengusi is the OG penguin saying? Bro, that Pengusi coin, if it ever runs, it'll be the funniest thing in the world. But I don't know. That coin is like almost like cursed. Same thing with Skeet. Skeet, like, dude, if he ever puts Skeet in the game, it'll be like the funniest moment for the trenches of all time. I don't know if he will, but Eli, how much is your health insurance? It's a lot. I don't want to say it on stream. I didn't mind commenting it. I don't want to say it on stream.
Yeah, we should talk about that yesterday.
Dude, no, that was crazy. I was like, dude, you're like, oh, I pay $800 a year for my health insurance.
Nah,
I was like, bro, I pay whatever the amount was. I was like, bro, you don't realize what you're saying right now to an American.
Yeah, that's wild. That is wild.
Yeah. How do I feel about the big pool NFTs? I think they were a steal the other day for 0.1. I think they're like 0.25 right now, maybe something like that. But it's basically like Board Elon's project before where if you hold one every other week, you get allocation from their mining rigs. So I think, if you do the math and it works out, then it's great. Did we talk about the kitty meow? We did actually, and it broke the trend up. I think I don't remember, but yeah, meow's good, Cyclops good. All the coins are good. Send us higher, much higher, very high. Thank you, God.
We're doing well, boys. We've got 2.3K watching today.
Wow.
Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Thanks for tuning in.
How's my ex?
Lower than mine today.
No. What will I do?
What will I do? Go back to the drawing board. Anyways, anything else we want to cover there, boys? Ethereum, we spoke about that. Ethereum looks bloody good here, boys. I'm not gonna lie. It's literally about to hit an all-time high. We are not all-time high is 486. Yeah, it's on MEXC, so it could be different.
This chart looks like me on dating apps, to be honest.
What's that? Hold on, I
just an old-fashioned battler, right?
Did it not make sense? It said rejection, rejection, rejection. I thought it was good.
But then at the end, then he gets this.
Yeah.
I didn't think that.
Get this.
But this looks really good. This looks really good. I'm saying 6.5K very soon. Generally 6.5K.
Right. Yeah.
Now, what does that mean? Okay, well, let's talk about things that people don't talk about on stream, and that's why people love this show, because they do tune in for education. Now, if you are new here, make sure you go follow all of us: Greeny Trades, Craig's Coin Purse, and Proof of Eli on all the socials, please. That would be much appreciated. And we're live every day. Before we dive into this and hashtag ad, the thing I want to talk about is how do we take profits? Okay, because a lot of people don't actually know how to do this, so I want to hear it. Like what like, is it setting price? Is it a time thing? Let's talk about it from that perspective. And I'm talking not just abstract meme coins. I'm talking Moonbirds trade. I'm talking our Pudgy Penguins, these sorts of things. Is it a price thing that it gets to? Because this is a common question that a lot of people will ask, and it's a question that I'm even asking myself. And I spoke about it on stream yesterday. So let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. Let's go to Craig first.
Yeah,
excuse me.
It's a tricky one at the moment, Greeny. The stage of the cycle. Yes, typically at a 2x, I'll take profit. While scale out, I'll take initials out. Look, it's a different thesis. It depends on the play. It depends why you're doing what you're doing. If you're holding things to earn XP, then you may not take things out at 2x. I'd probably still advise everyone. Not that I'm a financial advisor, but I would say if you take your initials out at 2x, you will never lose money, actually. Yeah,
good answer.
That's the safe answer.
Okay, cool. And we'll come back in a minute. But Eli, what did you
scale? I don't believe in the safe route, but I do believe if it wasn't on abstract, if you have
to live.
If you have trouble sleeping, that's probably the time to sell something. If you're thinking about it,
that's you right now.
Yeah, for sure, but it's also abstract. I said if it's not abstract, like with abstract, it's a little different. I have to really force myself through this because I know that I know for a fact we're going higher, right? Like, it's not a doubt in my mind. But like Nubcat, to me, it's almost kind of getting there to where I'm feeling uncomfortable a little bit. But when that gets there, I'm probably gonna start selling. Also, we didn't talk about it, but Nubcat got banned again today.
Did they? Oh, dude, I hold it back. I'm gonna sell it.
No. See, a bunch of people were like DMing me like, dude, I sold my Nubcat. They got banned again. Fuck, it's all over. I'm like, dude, they're gaining 200K followers every month on Instagram. Yeah, it's like the brand is undeniable at this point. It's growing. People sold it like, I think it was like 30 mil or whatever. And then I checked the chart. It was like back up at 41. No. So like, to me, it's, again, the brand is growing so fast. It's fucking nuts, dude.
Like, you know who's also growing fast on Instagram? Greeny Trades.
Oh god. Go check him
out. Yeah, 625. Yeah, nice.
Wait, 625? Bro, they were just at 500 like 10 days ago.
So they average easy. Oh no, it does vary. So 200K to holy hell, man, 5 million on that one.
Yes. Wait, you want to know what he told me though? We were DMing and he's like, yeah, honestly, everything changed when I treated Instagram like Twitter and Twitter like Instagram. He posts. He treats Instagram like Twitter and Twitter like Instagram. So on Twitter, it used to be all about tweeting as much as you could. Instagram, you kind of put one quality post every once in a while.
Quickly follow chat.
Then he changed it to where now on Instagram, he's making like 20 posts a day almost, right? Like all he does is draw and make art all day.
I thought that was bad.
No, because here's the thing. Instagram, especially when they're reels,
so I should be dropping multiple reels a day, is what you're saying.
Well, you should be, yeah. I thought for 3 a day for sure. If you're making content like how you guys are doing. Now, are you able to scale that and keep that up? I don't know. But he told me he puts out, anytime he finishes a piece of art, he puts it out. And it's been working for him because the algo reintroduces it to people. Whereas in Twitter's different. Twitter... once you see a tweet, it's very rare that you see it again unless it was retweeted. The algo doesn't just really feed people tweets from weeks ago. Whereas on Instagram, I'll get a reel or a video on Instagram or YouTube that were from like months ago, you know?
Yeah. Also, I just got absolutely botted in the last 24 hours on TikTok. I'm at 9.5K followers. Yeah, this I had two. Look at this. It's still going right now.
Congrats. Congrats. Hard work pays off.
Guess how much I had before it got botted? 289.
What?
Yeah, I've been botted nearly 10K followers on TikTok. And it's not because, I don't know. Someone just obviously is botting my account. I don't know why. But
what the fuck?
Yeah, I've had nothing that's gone viral.
I can't get any traction.
Yeah, I know. Well, look at
this. Either. What the fuck?
It's still coming in, bro.
What?
Right now. Yeah, I don't know. This is going to tick 10K in the next 20 minutes. Wild. So I went and followed a bunch of people on TikTok. Are you on TikTok, Eli? No. I followed you, Craig.
I'm really collecting it. It's a pain in the ass, man.
Wait, does Clemente actually post?
No, I don't think so.
He doesn't use his Instagram either. He's got some. He's got some stuff. It's like his skits.
I'm not even logged in. What the
I wish he would take it more seriously. I think Proof of Eli is mine, but I don't actually think the last time I think I had some music stuff up, but I deleted it a while ago. No, not even there.
40.
Yeah, there's nothing there. Thanks. I probably should though. When I was on FOMO hour with them, they're like, "Oh, so where can people catch you at?" I'm like, "Proof of Eli." They're like, "Where at?" I'm like, "Twitter." You could do Instagram, but I don't think you want to see my gym pics all the time. And he's like, "Oh, you're not on.
You gotta follow me back on Instagram, you did.
I did you. I didn't know you. I'd like rarely check it. I should. He's like, "Oh, well, you don't post on TikTok or YouTube or anything like that." I'm like, "No." He's like, "Why?" Yeah. I don't know. Yeah, but so you guys are an inspiration to me, man. I really need to learn from you guys.
Mate, well, honestly, I don't know why, but I'm getting absolutely botted on TikTok overnight.
No, it's because hard work pays off, dude. It's finally your time.
Yeah, I don't know what's happening there. So, anyways, it is what it is. But yeah, anyways, profit was the question, chat, and
whenever you feel uncomfortable, start selling.
Yeah, whenever you, yeah, well, if you screenshot it, is always like, this is another one that you can do. If you screenshot it or you gloat to your family or friends, probably a good time to take some off the table, because you're not going to time the top. You're not going to time the top.
Yeah.
That's as simple.
Also, something that helps is if you're spending most of your life trading and all that kind of stuff, spend a couple days out in the real world and you'll realize what that money is actually worth.
Dude,
that's something that's
yourself in the mirror.
Yeah, I do actually. I really do. I do. No, I do. But that's why it's like very difficult. I want to, and I know that I should be, but I know for a fact we're going higher. So I do have somewhat of a game plan. It's just not anytime soon. You know, but I do have like a separate wallet for like scalp trades and stuff like that. Obviously, it's nothing like my AGW. But
Craig, I went to screenshot the viewers, and you're just like this.
Tell Greeny check the ETH chart. What do you mean? We've been checking the ETH chart. Did something else happen?
Hold on, I'm just screenshotting. Hold on. There we go. I mean, it's
pumping. God, 5,000! No, imagine.
Yeah, I mean, it is pumping. I mean,
yeah.
That's straight green or white in my case.
I actually did blue and white.
It's visually so much better. I've done it for a while.
It takes a lot more motion out for me. The green and red is like...
That's the point as well. But it's visually better as well. But yeah, I mean, if we look at the 1 minute chart, you could probably scalp this breakout if you wanted to. There's an opportunity on a multi-billion-dollar asset that we can't pump.
Yeah.
So there you go. There's a retest. Bang.
Someone said they're selling most of their portfolio on the 23rd of August. Why?
Who?
What's the 23rd of August? Someone in my chat said, I'm selling most of my portfolio on the 23rd of August.
That's
why?
very specific.
Yeah, why?
Usually,
does he know something? Trump's going to tweet something?
I said this on FOMO out the other day, but it's 5:45 is the average days from halving to peak, which is about 15th of October. So that would be more strategic around that sort of date.
Wait, why?
That's the average of the past two cycles of BTC's peak is 545 days post halving, which is October 15th this year.
Yeah, but this cycle's different, dude. Institutions. I'm
going to say it's different for the majors.
Yeah.
An opportunity where there's trend and volume, which is probably abstract and base and hyperliquid, right? Open seas maybe as well. But
someone said that person must be a tennis fan. The U.S. Open starts on the 24th, so they want to sell their bags and watch tennis. Yeah.
I mean,
I don't know how you knew that off rip. Some people are so funny, dude. They just know stuff.
Anton, I have followed you on TikTok. I found your account last night as well. I did follow you back. Craig's on his personal Facebook. Dude, I forgot. Yeah, chat. If you're on Facebook, I set up my Facebook account as well. Go and follow me on Facebook, guys.
Craig's live streaming on Facebook.
I'm at 15. Let's go. I'm at 15 followers, guys. Let's go. Got to start somewhere.
Did you? Oh, you guys made the a specific. You made a specific page. Nice.
No, this is my page.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah. Nice.
Well, yeah, we went on with Wendy, and Wendy's like, guys, post on every platform. I'm like, Wendy, you are so right. What am I doing?
Yeah.
I spend too much time on Twitter and not worrying about the other social.
Well, it's also easy. Like, I think you guys already do the hard part. With like what I see as the hard part is the making the content. Then all you have to do is just have every platform. You
Put
just
it out everywhere.
You just redistribute it everywhere.
Yes, but no, because I disagree with that. As someone who's put the same content on Facebook as Instagram as TikTok, it does not slap the same way.
Well, then what do you mean? Oh, then what's
so
the
if
solution?
I put a video, okay, for context, right? I don't know if it has my notifications. Will it tell me? No. But basically the takeaway is if I put an Instagram reel on Facebook, I get way less viewers than if I do a text post on Facebook. So naturally, it's better to just put more text-based stuff on Facebook.
Sure, but what I'm saying is that you can also just put it on Facebook as well with that stuff, right? Like you can. It doesn't hurt to just.
No, it probably doesn't. Like a visual is a good thing, but the same video on TikTok doesn't work the same way on Instagram because of the crowd who's on these different platforms, right?
Yeah.
I should be posted on LinkedIn, but I don't. I just put my newsletter on there.
Yeah. People have been saying that LinkedIn's the next move for content creation. So.
I mean, I don't get much traction on LinkedIn because it's all my old work colleagues, and they're probably like, "This guy scamming?" That's what they think. All good, Craig. If you have to bounce in a bit, that's cool, man. Eli, are we gonna keep on going? How long have we been going for?
Almost 2 hours. Yeah, I think we can wrap it up.
Yeah, that's cool. All right. Anything you want to cover today, boys?
We didn't talk about the XP that we all got, by the way.
Oh yeah, let's talk about
this is crazy.
Well, okay, so abstract XP. My biggest week ever. Craig, did you hit a new all-time high or not?
I did. It was a lot smaller than you guys. Yeah, I got 58,000, so 10K up from last week. I think it will go up next week because the meme coins, I deployed about 10, 15K, but only in sort of the last 72 hours. So I don't think it's had much of an effect.
That's what I'm saying. I don't. I think people who sell right before it doesn't make sense.
It makes no sense to me.
I think it's cumulative. Yeah, possibly. So,
but if you sell right before, what if it cuts your accumulation off?
Yeah, so I definitely didn't sell. I'm holding, so I'm not one of those people. So yeah, no, definitely nowhere near to you guys. My goal's 70K approx, but I think I've got 350K left to platinum, so I should cruise.
Yeah, you hit it for sure.
Well, seriously, the best decision I made was sell my $40,000 of Pengu down to $3,000 and distribute that into low cap memes on.
That's what I need to do because then I don't even have to put more money on.
Exactly,
which is brilliant. So.
Exactly. That I might even sell my last bit of Pengu potential on Abstract and try and trade that up a bit more aggressively. So yeah, generally, if you guys are watching, I'm about to release a huge video on XP this week, so it'll be a banger. So keep an eye out. Recording it today. But yeah, Eli, would you get 290, 280?
I got 289,060. So
very nice, mate. Very
just
nice.
Shy of 300. I really thought I was gonna hit it this week.
What did like Reborn and
I got higher than everyone. Yeah, I got higher than all of them. Yeah.
Wow.
That's such dude. Yeah, no, I'm happy with it. It just kind of sucks ass that without a double XP weekend or anything super crazy, there's just no shot I hit diamond. I don't know. Yeah, dude. That's a lot. It's crazy because before the XP stuff, I was getting like 70, 80K maybe. Yeah. And I was looking at like Rubik's and all these people. And I was like, dude.
Have you flipped him now?
Oh, yeah. Like in totality, I'm not super sure.
Yeah, totality.
Per week.
No, you haven't yet. You haven't yet.
Okay. Yeah.
He got 198. He's at 79.
Yeah. I've got a lot of catching up to do. These are people who are getting like 6 figures, 150, 180 every single week for months. Yeah. So I got some catching up to do.
Yeah, big. Woo went pretty big as well this past week. So OG got 260. He's at 76. So you're not far away, but you're 1.2 behind. 1.
I will say, Gooner holders are eating a shit ton. Every single Gooner holder I know that has like close to 1% is getting like the same XP as me, bro. Nish got like 240 or something like that.
Oh, really?
Yes, bro, because he holds a lot of
Gooner.
Yeah,
But he owns
like,
a lot of God as well, right?
no, but not like he doesn't have it as an AGW. It's not connected. But yeah, so the Gooner has been like feeding people. I think God probably does as well. To be honest, I feel like there's got to be somewhat of a cap, to a degree, like or like a threshold. Yeah, it's crazy week. A lot of people are starting to get high numbers. What is this?
This is 5 days ago, so it would have changed because I am now platinum. So if you're in platinum, you're probably about 175th. Like
I think we probably end with maybe 500 plats, right?
Yeah,
or maybe more, maybe more with the meme coins. No, yeah, with the whole meme coin stuff, maybe 1,000. I think majority of the silver people get into gold. I think gold ends up being the biggest by far. Not even close.
For sure. And if you're gold, guys, I mean, if you're top of the gold, I think you're still going to print. So
yeah, I mean, the dude who quoted my tweet and said like, you know, don't go over to abstract at this point. You're too late. It's just so dumb, dude. It's so dumb.
Excuse me, Alex, you need to add me, brother. I'd be slotting in right there, baby.
I think you posted yours too late. Like after you made this list.
I wake up in the morning, man. So it's like, what am I supposed to do, bro?
Yeah.
So
well, yeah, but I don't think he doesn't aggregate it though.
And Irv as well. Irv has like 240. Like,
yeah. It's crazy, dude. I mean, XP's it's flying everywhere. I think it's good. Like I'm okay with it. I think it's fun. I really hope. I think it'd be so fun if they made like a double XP week and there's like games you have to play at certain hours to earn XP. Like they could do so much with it.
They could gamify it. I do agree.
Yeah. I think it'd be awesome. But yeah, that's all I can think about talking.
All good. All right, Craig. Well, do you want to give us an outro? And that was a banging stream, guys. If you do want to follow us, obviously the socials, Greeny Trades, Craig Swainpurse, and Proof of Eli, or go to GC Crypto TV and you can give us a follow there. We'll be doing exclusive giveaways in the coming weeks. If you share a clip, I will make sure you tag GC Crypto in it so that I can share it on our page too. We support you. And then if you want to get paid for it, you can submit it onto WAP and I'll take a look at it and let you know whether you deserve to be paid or not. So, Craig, outro, mate. Off you go. Thanks.
All right. Thank you, everyone. Thanks for tuning in today. A couple of people to thank. First of all, thanks to our partner, OKX Australia, for supporting the stream today, the GC Crypto stream. If you're looking to spot trade, they are definitely the place to go. Links are in the description if you need to find out more. Any questions, fire them to Greeny mostly, and then maybe to me. And obviously, thanks to our viewers for tuning in, for the comments, all the tips, all the love, all the pumping of the charts before we get in. And we will be back tomorrow, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and then the day after for Nick, which will be a massive stream, Greeny. That's going to be an absolute ripper. So thanks again to OKX. Big shout out to you, lads, and also to your viewers. Oh, sorry. Last but not least, Eli. Thanks for jumping on with us, brother. Thank you very much. And to our host, Greeny, thank you very much for running the show and running the screens. And yeah, we'll catch you guys tomorrow night.
Sounds good, guys. And I've just dropped the GTG link there as well. Check us out there if you want to check us out daily. We have an abstract channel we've been printing. So come check it out. All right, Eli, have a lovely week, mate. Keen to see you next week.
See ya.
See you guys.
Cheers, guys. Bye.